So I'm feeling kind of bored and I have 7 pairs of shoes here that I've either worn too much or not worn at all. I'm gonna try on every single one of them. First of all, I have on these Gator Mittens. You guys know I love these shoes. I'm obsessed, but I haven't worn them in a really long time because the elastic popped off and I'm just a lazy girl and I have also not had time to re-sew them, but you guys already know what these look like. Like, you know that they're perfect to do pirouettes in, to do jumps in. You already know what these guys look like, so let me try on. Maybe we should start with the most shocking shoes and the ones that definitely broke the internet at one point. So I actually have 2 pairs of shoes that the internet absolutely hated. I want to try on the first pair that I showed the internet, which was Freed Classic Studio Pro, and they are just, you'll see the reason why so many people hated them so much. So I actually haven't worn these ones in a really long time because, again, you'll see exactly why, but I ended up taking the ribbon off of the left one because there's no way that I would ever wear this left point shoe again. And you can probably already see why based on the fact that I can pretty much banana my foot in half, despite the fact that these shoes are super shiny and they look actually pretty new. But in a second, you'll see that they are definitely not. Guys, I don't think you're ready. I don't think you're ready. Okay. Live, laugh, love. Point shoes. Yeah, can you see why nobody liked these shoes? I'm shaking. I don't know if you can see my hand on the bar, but I'm shaking. Okay, so these shoes, we're gonna give them a negative 23 out of 10 for that very reason. Like I said, there were 2 pairs of shoes that the internet really disliked, and these are another one because I told a story time on them, and people were surprised that they weren't like covered in BLOOD. But I wiped most of it away, but I couldn't get that amount away, and people were just mad that I was exaggerating. But I don't think I'm exaggerating. That's a lot. That's a big stain that I couldn't get out. So anyways, let me show you what these look like because they're actually pretty nice looking on. So I truly never got to wear these ones, but I like them. They look fabulous and they're supportive. We like them. Okay, these shoes are from 14 years ago and I had to literally sausage my feet to get into them, but these are also a negative, sorry, I was gonna say these are a negative 28 because I'm turning 28 this year, out of 10. These are horrible. These are from when I was in 9th grade and I'm currently turning 28 this year. So yeah, these are definitely a no-go and they're full size too small. Okay, these ones are slay.